Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 0x80072f8f. This common issue often stems from incorrect date and time settings on your computer. To begin, navigate to your system's date and time settings. Ensure that both the date and time are accurate, and then synchronize them with an internet time server. This crucial first step can resolve many underlying connection problems, allowing your system to communicate securely and effectively. Next, let's check your network configuration. A stable internet connection is fundamental for many system operations, including updates. Also, it's important to examine your proxy settings. Sometimes, an active proxy server can inadvertently block necessary connections, leading to this error. Temporarily disabling any proxy settings in your browser or system network configuration can often clear up these communication roadblocks, allowing your system to connect without interference. If the error persists, corrupted system files might be the culprit. The System File Checker, or SFC, is a powerful built-in tool designed to scan for and repair these issues. To use it, open the command prompt as an administrator. Then, type sfc/scano and press enter. This process can take some time, so please be patient and let it complete its thorough scan and repair any detected problems. Finally, if all previous steps haven't resolved the error, resetting your update components can be very effective. This involves stopping specific update services, then renaming the software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders. These folders store temporary update files, and renaming them forces the system to create fresh ones. After renaming, restart the services. This process often clears up persistent update issues, allowing your system to download and install updates correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.